There has to be a way to reach more of your people.
The signal only reaches so far.
I wish we could just reach further, somehow. Maybe there's a safe way. What does this dial even do? I could just try it. What are you doing? Nothing. Just want to look at it more. If I boost the signal, more of Zex's people might hear it and help. It can't hurt to try. Whoa! I think that worked? Where'd you go? Just outside for air. Any new ideas? Maybe. Let's just wait and see. You're hiding something. What did you do? Nothing. I didn't do anything big. It's fine, Emma. Really. If you say so. Something's answering. That doesn't look like Zex's signal. That's not Zex's signal answering. That's someone else.
I think I made a mistake. Where did this response come from?
I'm sorry, I boosted the signal earlier. I should have asked first.
I don't recognize this signature at all.
Is that bad? Something's landing! This is because of me. That's not Zex's ship. Whose is it?
I don't know these travelers.
I might. This might be my fault.
Someone's coming out. Stay close, everyone.
Someone here sent out a call for help.
That was me.
And who are you supposed to be? A friend of this town. We're honest people, and we mean no harm. A call for help means resources nearby. We collect what we need.
You mean take things from people?
That's how we've survived. Nothing personal.
It feels personal to us. Who's that? I'm Fen. I just watch, mostly.
I know your kind of ship. We are not so different, you and I. Then you'll understand why I won't leave empty-handed. There's another way. Let us talk this through. Talking has cost my crew everything before.
What in the world?
Are you two okay?
Mom, I did something without asking, and now there's a whole ship here.
Then we'll face it together.
More of you keep arriving. Good. Gather them. This will go faster with everyone here.
Not again, do. What's happening this time? Something new, I'm afraid. Hand over what resources you can spare, and we'll leave quietly. And if we can't,
Let's hope we don't find out. You have until sunrise.
You don't look like you agree with this. I never said I did.
this crew won't listen to reason the way I once refused to. Then we need something more than words.
Are you gonna tell everyone it was you? I'm scared to. Hiding it didn't help last time either. I know. I just need a minute.
I was excited about the idea too. I should have said to wait. We both got ahead of ourselves. Perhaps an honest offer, backed by something real, could work.
It's worth trying before sunrise.
Good intentions still need careful thinking. Time to fix this the right way.
Sunrise isn't far off.
Yeah.
Then let's not waste any more time.
Before anything else, there's something you should know.
Go on, then.
The signal that brought you here and here, I boosted it myself, without asking anyone.
That was you?
I'm sorry. It was me, and that's not fair to you.
Most wouldn't admit that.
Captain, maybe this is different. Maybe. We'd rather offer a fair trade than have anything taken.
Offers change nothing. The deadline stands.
He's not backing down.
Then we're not done trying either.
He wasn't always like this.
What happened to him?
Long ago, he tried asking for help honestly. They were promised safety, then abandoned.
So he stopped trusting words at all. He's not just greedy. He's been hurt before.
Then words alone won't be enough to fix this. Fen said they know we're here because of the hatch. That explains everything.
Trust broken once is hard to rebuild with words alone.
We need to show him, not just tell him.
Show him what, exactly?
What if we gave him something first, before asking for anything back?
Like, proof we mean it.
Everyone, bring what you can spare. No conditions. Let's show him this town keeps its word.
Thank you for telling us the truth.
I hope it helps.
We're running out of time. Then let's hurry, together. Ready when you are.
Let's go talk to him again.
Let's go talk to him again.
It's actually kind of cozy in here.
Focus. We're here for a reason. We brought something for you. No strings attached.
Nothing is ever truly free.
This one is honest. We just want to prove we mean it.
Why would you do that for someone like me?
Because Fen told us what happened to you. That wasn't fair either.
Fen should not have spoken of that. We asked nicely once. It nearly cost us everything. I won't make that mistake again.
I understand being afraid to trust again. I'm still learning that too.
You're young to understand that.
We're almost out of time.
A little longer. This matters.
One gift proves nothing. But it's not nothing either.
It's taking a long time.
Let's just keep believing a little longer.
Captain, the crew is waiting on you.
I know that, Fen.
It's sunrise.
He hasn't said no yet.
This is it.
Stay hopeful. Just a little longer.
I don't know if I can risk this again. But I don't want to be this afraid forever, either.
Maybe it didn't work.
Then I'll go say one more thing.
You don't have to trust all of us yet. Just try trusting me first.
Just you?
Just me first, then everyone else when you're ready.
All right. Just this once.
This is what we brought. No conditions.
Fen was right.
Maybe this is different. You came out together. Together is better.
This is. We're 20 to pot of the Gleetmoin. More than we hoped for. That's what a fair trade looks like. We'll take this and go. No harvesting tonight. That's a good first step. Perhaps we'll speak again properly someday.
I'd like that. It's really leaving.
Peacefully, this time.
We did it, Dav. Together. That we did.
You did the right thing tonight. But please, ask first next time.
I'm sorry, Mom. I promise I will. I'm sorry for cheering you on so fast. We'll both be more careful next time.
Your honesty tonight may have opened a door none of us expected.
I just didn't want to hide anymore.
Let's all get some rest.
Best idea all night.
That was a lot, even for us.
Good intentions still need careful thinking. That mistake taught me that.
Next time, I ask before I touch anything new. That's a promise I can actually keep.
Fen says hello, by the way. She thinks you're both very brave.
Tell her we think the same about her.
Is it okay if I just check the signal strength? Nothing more. Look at you, asking first.
Quite the night, you two.
But we got it right in the end.
So, no more secret dials to turn? Deal. Ask first, always.
I'm proud of the choice you made tonight. I had good people to help me get there.
Whatever comes next, we'll figure it out together.
Together. Always.